Hello friends, and welcome to today's project of making crème anglaise, or also known as English cream or custard. The ingredient list is in the description. I regard this as one of the most important sauces in the pastry world. Very easy to make once you are familiar with the rules. Let's begin. Take a medium-sized pot and pour in 250 grams of full-fat milk, 250 grams of double cream. You can of course go richer with all of it being double cream. Next, weigh out 100 grams of vanilla sugar. I make my own vanilla sugar. I have a video on how to make your own vanilla sugar using all of the pod so that there is no wastage. A link is on the top right corner. Pour the vanilla sugar into the pot with the milk and cream. Bring the pot over to the stove and turn on the heat to medium to high. We want the mixture to boil so that it can dissolve the vanilla sugar and for the vanilla to release its flavor. While waiting for that to boil, measure out 100 grams of egg yolks in another bowl. Give that a good mix. Once the milk and cream mixture has come to a boil, take it off from the heat. Pour a little bit of the liquid into the egg yolks and mix it while you do that. This is called tempering. Doing this introduces the very hot milk and cream mixture into the eggs slowly. If you were to pour the whole thing in at once, you run the risk of shocking the egg yolks with the heat and then scrambling it. Once you have poured in about half of the milk and cream mixture, you can pour it back into the pot. Now I'm going to introduce to you two great tools that will help you in making great custard. First, the rubber spatula, which we will use for stirring. We don't really want to use a whisk at this point to avoid too much air bubbles when making the sauce. Secondly, a thermometer for precisely measuring the temperature. Temperatures don't lie, so getting perfect custard relies on perfect temperature, or at least the temperature at a set point. Now bring back the pot over to the stove and turn the heat down. We want to cook the custard low and slow. Keep stirring and make sure you keep the bottom moving, otherwise the bottom can curdle. We want the temperature to reach 85 degrees Celsius. This will mean that your eggs are safe to eat afterwards. Just remember to keep it moving. You know your custard is done and in good condition when you take a spoon and you're able to draw a line and the line stays. You have cooked it enough then. Also, as a precaution, I'm going to sieve my custard to really ensure it is super smooth and creamy. Have a taste. Creamy, light, simple and full of flavor. If you're going to serve it later, wrap the surface with cling film to avoid the skin from forming. Let me show you why I decided to make some custard. I made custard to pair with a dessert, classic Eve's pudding. Such a great combination with custard. A video on how to make classic Eve's pudding is on the top right corner. Don't judge me on how I can't take the pudding out perfectly. Pour a generous amount of custard. Come on, fresh vanilla custard, apples, sponge cake, what is there to not love? Don't be fooled by how simple this is. It's so good. Sometimes the best things are simple to make because then it's simple to enjoy. Alright, I'll do it again to show you that I can do it properly. Here's a perfect slice, in case you were judging my pudding cutting abilities. Well, there you have it, crème anglaise or English custard. Let me remind you, go and make this and you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.